The asofo ye the most fake people on earth.
Na de na odima o mo na wo ye nyame adwuma
na. Me ye nyame adwuma me ya adoye me wie na kom de me. So atiase.
Ma wo nu hu se
me nu me ho ankasa. Me nu me ho because enipa bi o wa sometimes oh ya so ya adoye oh ya manyankopon oh ya manipa oh ya manyankopon ba ma me ka sem cho enipa na me ye ma no. Me nyame ne fisuro baji enipa na me ye ma no. Ti at least nipa wo ye nipa adoye a enipa appreciate tu kakra keke. But they will not. One assemble mbeka na ya. One send an answer sofo bi asem to me ba. The also ye genuine, the also fake. Obi ade to me ba. To be a steady. Asofo ye the most fake people on earth. Asofo. Asofo fake. Me see sofo. Asofo ye fake ankasa. Me na make sure me see ye fake ankasa. Sofo bre ofie. Obeba sorry abegina wa be pretend ye preachi. Enye fake life. How to me see obi anopa no wa bless we ni awia. A difficult job. Difficult job. Busu ni se fridge mu so nyame beye. O papa wu ya o ya. Eso si nyankopon otumi ade nyina ye. Very fake life. O yire tete wo fie, o kunu tete wo fie. Unhu dia onye unhu su ba begina platform so you have to pretend. You have to pretend. You are near preacher church member and say, let your no be no and let your yes be yes. Integrity. Na se me no ni me no. Na se me sof mame mboni wo fia. Se me ba sorry me mo bia te se sof mame mboni. Eti no me fan che no. But you should do a sorry pretend. Natural book be dying in silence. A lot of great guys, they are dying in silence. Lot of people. Mami, the omu wu omumu.
Mo we shisa nkanko fo beti wo mo ni.
Obi ant
betumi pour out their grievances.
I'm a book no the bar out e be hu. Mature 10 editions. The general edition, the congregation edition. I saw them bebrete, I saw them Felicia o confused or rest of says why confused? I because so for since I no mo nyen so do communion so for communion wine or the man and so for since anye so for no wine. Well, who suffer several times I own wine, but suffer since I no mo nye. Remember now you confused.
Wine was 0%.
Every wine is a wine. The wine is alcohol. Every alcohol is alcohol. What I say to man communion wine alcohol near 0.1% cry alcohol. It will since I no mo nye. What I say, suffer sa ware do nye so ne prafo ye tu kan yere ho. Sa an prafo mi onu na mo busuafo nim suffer. Wa Kofi wa ko chia me hu no. Enye knocking no aye no.
Why knocking?
I knocking no wa ware 3. And so preach sa ware do nye.
And on polygamy and your topic in ya ko rem. Ya ko rem.
Nipa mpeno kra Felicia. E nipa mpeno kra.
Christianity and polygamy.
I know what thing. And what day? You bear justice.
You bear justice.
Honey.
Hey, no pay the my prophet Elisha hit. He had the one I funny. One I got prophet Elisha.
Now I can say sex before marriage and easy thing. Now so for be about my page. No about comment. This is not Christianity. This man is leading you to hell. And I'm a so for I'm a friend now. So what shall we be unchained?
Unim the personality.
Me share na na minya no nam se wa sha woni bia enchen o. Wona me cousin na o. Akran hwe no. Abuofunu. Abeye Christianity.
Na se bi mu bebre asofu bebre kwa mo nche da
nte. Fake life is too much. Fake you are pretending to be who you are not.
With the men of God.
Exactly. It say unya problem as a pastor. Your people don't know you. Me members ni na ni obi oni me bia nim se me ye. Straightforward person. Maya. Mami, Maya. Her mami kase mwinchro.
Onu FM 95.1.
One day, me yiri ye madie ne shemia ma. Me namna me kasa. Me namna me suna me kasa. Nti me su bompa ya na me namna me ka adie na komi wama me hu dia me namna me wo so sei. Obi afra me amemfa na rade ke kire me say a man now ni omo 19 the years pass awo yo omo basabasa no karma has come back to deal with you, but Christians don't believe in karma.
It's a man now ni omo sign.
Yes,
back in the days now
wo yo omo basabasa no
one treat you omo ye no.
You see, indirectly the spirit of karma beba be show oba no man not deal with you, and sometimes say ya na eye so benya ketua no wa benya waketua dan say wo ma benya wo waketua.
Boni awaye no obi
yes, David eye boni tie Nyankopon Erade catches only BB. I will not deal with you.
FM,
Your children will pay for it. Until sometimes, me or mama you know. Almost so a mom on Benanti no one on Bewari or Momun to me, or Muntunko him. Because the mistakes I made, me mom be. Tidi any pabe be a dawanim. It is all you're real. I know why you're real. Near who's all you're real. What I say? Human beings will not forgive you, but God has forgiven you. So what are you hiding? What are you hiding? So let us be real. The fake life is too much. The fake life is too much. What can say me be sawa fina kone nam hwa.
Adena so waka.
Me say sex before marriage is a sin. Me see a very difficult issue. So what I say? The anchorophobia yenti no me say sex before marriage betim kotomo.
Only FM 95.1.
What you to many?
My one could full interview. You are just there doing hula baloo. Look, we have to be real. And now Christianity is suffering in this country.
They're refusing to face reality.
Oh, in Toronto Dawson. When I was coming to church, God was talking to me, and I had Jesus come to sit beside me in the car, and Jesus was telling me, "Miwa, obaso na so mama na wo kun okanu."
That's an accent.
So when Jesus was sitting by you, Jesus was seated by you. So mama na na no front and no so time and no cho nka wo yewu. Sorry, when I was coming to church, God, oh, fake life. God.
Upon it, I come here.
Anne. So, oh, you didn't say you could.
Don't kind of correct.
You will say down in the Benyan Tokaka. So for true for. Because on you say, bois.
But sense of and you want to go to church and hear me and money.
Mamma Cassie say, Mitchell. We could preach celebrity be Ghana. Felicia, me quite am say. Me kasala ko be madam for. Me kasala am say. Mommy, you have to go to church. I said, I'm not going to go to church. All right? I ain't going to church. Watna abruche kakrentino. Ipa no nim no pa. I am going to church. Now I'm saying, you know this pastor, eh? Now I'm saying, I say, look, this pastor said he wanted me, eh? And I accepted him, and we're sort of dating. And one day, I was going for an all night in his church with him, okay? And when we were going, the pastor made love to me in his car. He had sex with me in his car. And in fact, God forgive me, I was even in my menses, and he had sex with me. And he finished, and he went to church. And I sat at the back, and I watched him, and he said, Abraham, I'm going to me say, and I was like, you chatting fake, you know. Which Yankopon I can such well, that's one class. Okay, sometimes my memco.
Nigeria free.
Mammy, I remember. Member, Kofi Yami. The fake life is too much.
It's too much. On our